Hello. My name is Annie, and I am a representative of Louisville Beauty Academy. This video is for your reference only. It helps explain your official student contract, but it is not a replacement for reading it. Your student contract is a legally binding agreement between you and the school only. It is governed by Kentucky state law. It does not involve your parents, sponsors, employers, or banks. All legal rights and responsibilities belong only to you as the student. We at Louisville Beauty Academy are proud to be one of the very few colleges that make every part of your contract and financial responsibility publicly available. We believe in 100% transparency and want you to fully understand all your obligations before you sign. All payments made to the school, no matter where the money comes from, are treated as if they are made by you. Whether it comes from a parent, a sponsor, an employer, or a lender, it is still your responsibility. The school works only with you, not with any third party. You are the sole responsible person under the contract. The contract is public and available online for anyone to read before signing. Please take as much time as you need to review it carefully. Now let us go over the most important parts, starting with tuition and payment. Each program at Louisville Beauty Academy has its own total tuition and total required training hours. These are clearly listed in your individual contract. If you pay your full tuition at enrollment, you may qualify for a full payment discount. This is often the largest discount available. If you do not pay in full, even if you make a deposit, you are automatically placed on a zero-interest payment plan. This payment plan is included in the contract. The payment plan has no interest while you are an active student, but it may include a small monthly administrative fee. You are responsible for making payments on time. If you fall behind, you may be withdrawn from the program. Now let us talk about discounts. Discounts are offered to encourage students to work hard, stay consistent, and motivate others. These include paying full tuition at enrollment, attending 20 to 40 hours per week, sharing your school progress on social media, getting 5-star reviews from real clients for services you perform at school. Discounts are not automatic. You must complete all required actions exactly as described in the contract. You must track your progress, take screenshots, and send them by text to the school office at 502-625-5531. That is how we verify your discount. If you do not meet the full requirements, your discount will be removed and the full tuition amount becomes due. There are no exceptions. This is not about what you say you are going to do. It is about what you actually do and what you can prove and track. Now let us cover what happens if you leave the school with a balance. If you graduate withdraw or are expelled and still owe money, you have a 30-day grace period to pay. After 30 days, your account may begin to charge interest and fees. The current rate is 10% annual interest and $50 per month in administrative fees. If your balance remains unpaid after 90 days, your account may be sent to collections and you will be responsible for all collection and legal costs. In some cases, the school may offer a temporary settlement discount if your full balance is paid within 30 to 60 days after you leave. This is not guaranteed and is only offered at the school's discretion. Remember, this video is only an explanation. The only legal document that applies is your signed contract. There is no he said, she said. What matters is what you signed. Every student follows the same contract. Please read it carefully, and thank you for choosing Louisville Beauty Academy. We look forward to helping you succeed on your Yes, I Can journey. Come visit us at either of our 2 campuses, centrally located on Bardstown Road and in the South End at Harbor House. We welcome walk-in tours during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also text or email us anytime. We speak your language, and we proudly serve as Kentucky's most affordable, most flexible, and multi-award-winning beauty school.